Yo.
Yo, what's up?
We're gonna break it down.
You're
She
moving
gonna-
down to the bone.
She's gonna she's gonna beatbox. No, stop. You gotta let go of me though. Alright.
What up? What's up? What's up?
Hey Kendall. I'm gonna show you something, okay? Here. Sit up. No, sit up. Like sit down right here. Sit down right here. That way they can see you too. Down a little bit. There we go. Alright. Move your hair. Alright. Someone taught me this. It's funny. Alright. There's a boy. Okay? He's going down the hallway, okay? Then he goes to the right. Not bad. He quickly goes to the left. I don't know how quickly, but he went quickly. And then he went straight. There was 2 hallways going to the right and left. He didn't know what to choose, so he had to choose quickly before he went boom. Alright, hey, Kendall, they were screaming for you. They were screaming for you. Go get them.